This is a fantastic
we already showed
light,
y'all why that
even giving
is
you
good.
smart app controls.
Shout out to them
So now,
4x4
with
fucking
your
lights,
phone, you can set
knock you right
program
out the park.
schedules, adjust brightness levels, and communicate between your lights.
You know, we got
in fact,
two different
you can even
tents set up.
simulate sunrise and sunset from the app.
See
The
tent 2 in the
app is now
background.
usable with the upgraded SE
Then I got
and
tent 1
G
behind
series, allowing users to easily manage their lights via the app with their phone. Check out spider-farmer.com. Use promo code PIGEONS420 and save a few dollars. Check out and help support the show. And a huge shout out to AC Infinity for sponsoring today's video. If you're looking for some high-tech quality equipment for your tent, check out ACinfinity.com. Whether it's their clip-on fans, the Gen 2s, their air circulation systems, or their lights, check them out at ACinfinity.com. Use promo code PIGEONS420. You're going to save a few dollars off at checkout. You're going to help support the show, and you're going to get yourself some quality equipment. Also, a huge shout out to Seedsman. If you're looking for some quality genetics from a quality place, check out Seedsman. Use promo code PIGEONS420. They're with some of the best breeders in the game to hook you up with quality genetics. Check them out. Use promo code PIGEONS420 and thank them both for sponsoring today's video.
Speaking of the video sponsors.
Which parent are you? In the bustling city of Nutriville, a group of extraordinary individuals has emerged, known far and wide as the superfood parents. They are on a mission to transform their families' lives through the power of nutrition, one delicious bite at a time. Meet Chef Lakita Marie, the culinary mastermind behind the Superfood Parents Playbook. With boundless enthusiasm, she welcomes you to embark on a thrilling journey to becoming a superfood hero. But what exactly does that mean? In Nutriville, superfood parents are everyday heroes. These superfood parents lead the charge for better health, but not with capes. They lead with carrots, and whole food fats like avocados. And instead of masks, they lead with mangoes and berries. Fruits and vegetables are the disease-destroying arsenal of heroes. Are you a disease-destroyer superhero for your loved ones? Fruits and veggies fuel the mission of heroes like Veggie Vixen. Are you a Veggie Vixen for your loved ones? Dedicated to ensuring their loved ones thrive on a diet rich in faves, fruits and vegetables. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to guide your family to superhero status by reaching the highest levels of health and wellness daily. Become a plant-powered titan, a superfood avenger, or even a face crusader by earning 5 points for every food or vegetable eaten. It's a fun-filled quest where nutrition meets excitement. All of the digital details are at superfoodparents.com for the full experience. Superfood Parents has also created workbooks, where you'll discover the tools you need for success. These workbooks give you the heroics.
See, this is why I was so inspired last year to do, what was the theme last year? Workbook 2024. See, shout out to having video sponsors. They gave me the idea. They said they had workbooks. I came out with a workbook too. I was inspired. I wasn't hating. I was just following the motherfucking lead that they set. They said, hey, we got workbooks. I came out with a workbook. Then I'm doing homework this year. You see how it works? You see what I'm saying? You be putting it in. Put it in. There's work to be done, in other words. Thumbs up to the work. You see that? It's right there on the screen for you. Go ahead, screenshot it. I got you. I'll hold you down for about 4, 3, 2, and he hit play.
Strategies to craft your grocery list like a seasoned hero. Which means you now have a playbook to even track your weekly meals like a true champion.
Poppin' seeds, my guy. What up, though?
And engage in mind-bending nutritional education with word searches that will keep your family entertained and informed. So, are you ready to join the ranks of the superfood parents? Are you prepared to unleash the power of faith and make every meal a heroic endeavor? If so, flip the page of the Superfood Playbook and let's begin your journey to becoming the ultimate superfood hero.
To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
You ain't even a guest no more. Yeah, you with your family, man. I told you we're gonna bring you in quarterly to make sure all our investments are up to par. Get some insider information. That's illegal. I mean, we're gonna get some tips and some pointers.